A warm good evening to one and all. On behalf of Dayanand Education Societies, Dayanand Science College, we are delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you to this valedictory session of International E-Conference on Nonlinear Analysis and its Applications, organized by Department of Mathematics. It's our privilege to have with us Honorable Ramesh G. Biyani, Secretary, Dayanand Education Society, Latur, as the President of the valedictory session. May I request Principal Dr. J.S. Dargar sir to welcome Honorable Ramesh Biyani sir by offering a flower. Thank you, sir. The conference of such a dimension could be possible because of the unending inspiration and kind support of Sri Ramesh Ji Biyani, a visionary, transmitting positive energy to us and giving us a new sense of hope and confidence in achieving the vision. Aspiration of life is always to expand, and so Sri Ramesh Ji Biyani sir anticipates change and is proactive, always focusing on opportunities and making a systematic work environment in the organization. I kindly request Honorable Ramesh Biyani sir to deliver presidential address.
Namaskar and good evening to everyone. The chief guest of the 3 days international online conference validatory function, Professor Dr. Mehman Kukukslan, Marsin University, Turkey. The conference report reader, Dr. Javed Ali from Aligarh Muslim University, India. Principal, Dr. Dargar sir. Convener, Dr. Bellare. Organizing Secretary, Dr. Rohini Shinde. Principal, Arts College, Dr. S.P. Gayakwad. Distinguished resources persons, and all delegates, scholar and mathematician. Student and friends, I welcome you all on behalf of Dayanand Education Society, Latur, to this online validatory function. First of all, let me congratulate the Department of Mathematics and the head, Dr. Siddheshwar Bellare, and his team for taking this initiative and successfully organizing this 3 days international virtual conference in the subject of mathematics. I feel proud, I am happy today, and it's my pleasure and honor to join this validatory function and to be a part of this international conference. As we all know that now more than 300 million students worldwide are having their education disturbed by the spread of coronavirus. Schools and universities haven't faced this level of disruption in generations. But unlike any time in the past, we have the ability and alternative to continue education even when schools and colleges are closed. School, colleges and universities across the world are creating use with online teaching learning options to keep students safe and healthy at home. Likewise, in our Dayanand Education Societies, all colleges, we have adapted a safe online virtual education platform to all our students. We are trying our best to deliver the best education to our students in such a situation also. Not only to our students, but also the different researchers of all of the various fields of the education. We have created online platforms for them, and conference is one of the such activity. The alternative revolution in the field of online teaching learning in the major dramatic change that the world education system is adapting. Technology becoming more and more evident, and in which mathematics will be at the very frontier of the revolution, as the mathematics plays an important role in the development of science and technology. Mathematics is the science that deals with logic of shape, quantity, and arrangement. Maths is all around us in everything we do. It is the building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, architecture, art, money, engineering, and even sports also. As we all knew that mathematics has a key role in knowing and developing each and every streams of education and all our life. Origin of mathematics is in the rhythm of life, the rhythm of nature, and rhythm of earth and galaxy, and all Brahman. As at the time of COVID-19 pandemic, mathematics will help the world to get the rhythm again to the developing society. Since the beginning of the recorded history, mathematics discovery has been at the time forefront of every civilized society and in use in even the most primitive of cultures. The need of math arose based on the wants of society. The more complex a society, the more complex the mathematical needs. Primitive tribes needed little more than the ability of count, but also relied on maths to calculate the position of the sun and physics of hunting. No doubt, mathematics is the foundation of recognizing through a very long history of natural science. All at the conference, I hope you would learn new ideas from each other, which we could adapt for further improve our work in subject of mathematics. I came to know that there have been many interesting and useful research presentation in 3 days. Both the plenary session and the interactive session. I believe that many good experiences have been shared and good lessons learned. Many people have committed to the lot of good work has been done in the area of non-linear mathematics and its application in the international conference. Renowned mathematicians are participated this conference and made presentations of their work and also discussed their current finding on mathematics and other fields of science. I hope the conference will be an opportunity for us to leap forward to the greater success in the development of science and technology by using applications of mathematics. Ladies and gentlemen, you have had a 3 days online stay and have participated actively, and I thank you for your actively participation and wish you all the best wishes go your academic life. Lastly, I would like to show my appreciation to Dr. Dargad sir, Principal of Dayanand Science College, and other outside distinguished personnel who made their utmost efforts in preparing this 3 days online event. I again hope by attending the conference, all of you will be encouraged and filled with new knowledge. I also believe that whatever the new knowledge you absorbed in this online conference, it should be penetrated among your students. Finally, I wish all safe life and every success in achieving your desired aims. Thanking you very much.